हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम। कैसे हैं आप सब? सो गाइस, माय नेम इज़ अजय शर्मा और आज हम करने वाले हैं बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट सेशन। जो बच्चे सैनिक स्कूल, आरएमएस या मिलिट्री स्कूल जैसे या किसी भी स्कूल एंट्रेंस एग्जाम के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं, तो उनके लिए क्लास ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो ये गाइस, जो बच्चे 6 क्लास के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं उनके लिए ये क्लास है। और पार्ट नंबर 15 है। इससे पहले हम 14 पार्ट कर चुके हैं। अगर आपने पहले की वीडियोज़ नहीं देखी है तो वो भी आप ज़रूर देखिए। किसी भी प्रकार की कोचिंग, क्रैश कोर्स और स्टडी किट या फिर टेस्ट सीरीज की इंक्वायरी के लिए आप इस नंबर पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। जिन बच्चों को एक्सटेंशन करना है, जो बच्चे ऑलरेडी पेड बैच में हैं और वो एक्सटेंड करना चाहते हैं फरवरी तक, तो वो भी इस नंबर पे कांटेक्ट करें, जल्दी से जल्दी अपना एक्सटेंशन ले। ठीक है। अगर आप क्रैश कोर्स कर रहे हैं या क्रैश कोर्स करना चाहते हैं अभी, तो अभी एक न्यू क्रैश कोर्स शुरू हुआ है, तो उसके रिगार्डिंग जानकारी आप इस नंबर पे ले लें और जल्दी से जल्दी ज्वाइन करें, क्योंकि हमें 2 मंथ्स का जो टाइम मिला है, वी आर रियली वेरी लकी। हमें 2 महीने का जो टाइम मिला है ये बहुत अच्छी बात है, लेकिन इसे हमें सोच विचार करने में बहुत ज़्यादा वेस्ट नहीं कर देना। कई पेरेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगा देते हैं सोचने विचारने में, तो बेटर है कि आप जल्द से जल्द एक्शन लें, क्योंकि टाइम हमारे पास 2 मंथ्स का ही है, इसी में हमें तैयारी करनी है। ठीक है। और आप अपनी बुक्स को भी, स्टडी किट को भी अभी ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं, ताकि आपकी बुक्स जो है वो जल्दी से जल्दी पहुंच जाए और आप अपना प्रिपरेशंस करना शुरू करें। चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं। लेकिन शुरुआत करने से पहले बता दूं कि अगर आप सही तरीके से तैयारी करना चाहते हैं तो हमारी एक स्टडी किट है। उस स्टडी किट को आप ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं। 10 बुक्स का जो स्टडी किट है वो आपको 4500 रुपीज़ में पड़ेगा, और जो 12 बुक्स का स्टडी किट है वो आपको 5000 रुपीज़ में पड़ेगा। ठीक है। तो ज़्यादा जानकारी के लिए आप इस नंबर पे कांटेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो इस नंबर पे व्हाट्सअप मैसेज करके भी आप इसकी जानकारी ले सकते हैं। इसके लिए आपको डायरेक्ट 4500 रुपीज़, या फिर आप अगर 12 बुक्स का चाहते हैं तो 5000 रुपीज़ की जो पेमेंट है वो आपको इस नंबर पे करनी है। गूगल पे, फ़ोन पे या पेटीएम के थ्रू, जो भी आप यूज़ करते हैं, या इस अकाउंट में ट्रांसफ़र करके आप हमें इस नंबर पर स्क्रीनशॉट शेयर कर दें, और उसके बाद आप अपना कुरियर एड्रेस सेंड कर दें। उस कुरियर एड्रेस पे हम बुक आपकी डिलीवर करवा देंगे। ठीक है। बहुत बढ़िया। ये डिटेल्स हैं जिसके थ्रू आप ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं। और ये जो यहाँ पे आप देख पा रहे हैं, ये स्टडी किट की फ़ोटोज़ हैं। यहाँ से आपको आइडिया हो जाएगा कि स्टडी बुक कैसी है, किस टाइप की है, या कौन कौन सी बुक्स उसके अंदर आती है। बाकी ये लिस्ट यहाँ पर भी गिवन है, लेकिन इसके अंदर 2 नई बुक्स ऐड हुई है, वो भी आप ले सकते हैं अगर चाहें तो। सो दिस इज़ अबाउट मी गाइस। माय नेम इज़ अजय शर्मा और मुझे 8 साल से भी ज़्यादा टाइम हो गया है टीच करते हुए। सो नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड गाइस। द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स द करेक्ट आर्टिकल्स। आपको बताना है कि व्हाट शुड बी द आर्टिकल फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन। अमेरिका इज अ रिच कंट्री। द अमेरिका, एन अमेरिका, अ अमेरिका, नो आर्टिकल। हरी अब जल्दी से कमेंट करके बताएं। शाबाश, वेलकम वेलकम। सभी बच्चे जल्दी से कमेंट करके आंसर करें, इसका सही आंसर क्या होगा। यस, द राइट आंसर इज नो आर्टिकल। अमेरिका, इट्स द नेम ऑफ द कंट्री। कंट्री के नेम के साथ में हम नहीं यूज करते, है ना। अगर यूएसए लिखा होता देन इट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग, बट अगर सिंपल अमेरिका लिखा हुआ है देन नो नीड टू पुट एन आर्टिकल, क्योंकि आर्टिकल जो होता है वो किसी भी कंट्री के नेम के साथ में नहीं लगाया जाता। नेक्स्ट, डैश रिच शुड हेल्प द पुअर। डैश रिच शुड हेल्प द पुअर। Dash rich should help the poor. What should be the right answer for this particular question, guys? Rich should help the poor. What should be the right answer? Very good. Super. So the right answer is the rich should help the poor. Actually, what is the role of poor and rich over here? These are adjective. If we use any adjective with the article the, it denotes the full community. It means जितने भी अमीर लोग हैं उन सभी को, सभी गरीब लोगों की हेल्प करनी चाहिए। The rich should help the poor, so the right answer is the rich. It denotes the full rich community to help the full poor community. Okay, so here it doesn't mean that we are talking about any specific person but the whole class. Okay, whole class means पूरी कम्युनिटी, जितने भी अमीर लोग हैं, जितने भी गरीब लोग हैं। गॉट इट? ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज शी इज डैश गुड एंड डैश बैड। फाइंड आउट द कंजंक्शंस। शी इज डैश गुड एंड डैश बैड। She is dash good and dash bad. Okay, so the right answer is neither good nor bad. Why can't we either or? Why can't we put either or? Because either is not available here. Neither nor does not have any pair. Either not does not have any kind of pair. Neither then not have pair. If you have our study kit, अगर किसी बच्चे के पास हमारे वाली बुक है, स्टडी किट है, so we have a chapter in that is conjunction, and we have mentioned all the pairs available in the conjunction chapter. So if you learn all those pairs, you will be very comfortable in the conjunction topic. Okay, so you can order our English book also. If you want to order particular books like English, maths or reasoning, then you can order on this number. If you want to purchase the full study kit test series, then you can also purchase from the same number by calling this number or by doing WhatsApp on the same number. Okay, so she is neither good nor bad. ना ही तो अच्छी है, ना ही बुरी है. Okay, so neither nor has a pair. You might have seen these pair: either or, neither nor, not only but also. We have different kind of pairs. Okay, so if you want to purchase the books or English notes or maths or science or any notes you want to purchase, you can contact on this number, or you can purchase the full study kit. Okay, if you are purchasing the full study kit, then you need not to worry, we will send you each and everything. Okay, you can also order the mock test series, that is also available. The cell phone is both cheap dash best. The cell phone is both cheap dash best. What should be the pair? Great. ऑप्शन ए, बी, सी और डी. वेरी गुड. हरी अब जल्दी जल्दी आंसर करें. यू आर डूइंग अ ग्रेट जॉब गाइस. वाओ, यू गाइस आर ग्रेट. सुपर. परफेक्ट परफेक्ट. वेरी गुड. दो द सेल फोन इज बोथ cheap and dash rest best. So we have a pair with both and and. If you don't know, we have a pair with both and and. So the pair both and will be used here. Okay, as you know that we have a pair with no sooner than. So whenever you see no sooner, then will come than wala then aayega in that case. So both and has pair. The cell phone is both cheap and best. सेल फोन दोनों ही है, सस्ता भी है और सबसे बढ़िया भी है. She is angry dash your teasing remark. She is angry dash your teasing remark. You are to fill here preposition at, in, for, with. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. सभी बच्चे ट्राई करें. आर डूइंग अ ग्रेट जॉब. हरी अप. आंसर योर. प्लीज आंसर इन कमेंट्स. Great job. So the right answer is angry at. So guys, if you are angry with someone, then it is okay. Angry with someone, because in that case we use with. Got it? If we sorry, I just want to write here someone. A person is angry with someone. If it means if we are talking about anyone, any person, then we will use with. And if we are talking about something, then we will use at. Angry with someone, angry at something. Angry with someone and angry at something. Okay, that's the thing. So she is angry at something and angry with someone. Got it? Next, don't try to be an advocate dash these criminal. Don't try to be an advocate dash these criminal. For these criminal with a cross or in. For, with, across, or in. So the right answer is advocate for these criminal. Advocate for someone. Do you know what is advocate? Advocate means to argue with someone. Okay, and don't try to be an advocate for these criminals. Means try to help some kind of person. Like here we are talking about the criminals. So in this sentence, it is mentioned that don't try to advocate. It means don't try to help the criminals by arguing for them. Okay, don't help them. A truth which is often repeated. So here one word substitution is the question. You have to find out the one word substitution. So guys, if you want to purchase our notes or books, you can order our study kit. The number is given below. And if you want to receive the free class notification on daily basis, if you want to receive the free class notification on daily basis, you are to just send on WhatsApp your name, class, just a second, date of birth. Okay. You are to send all these things: name, class, and date of birth. You are to send all these things. Okay, and you are to send these things and do WhatsApp on this number. Okay, you will be added in the list and you will receive daily class notification. A truth which is often repeated: aesthetics, truism, verbose, or truant. Very good. So the right answer is truism. Aesthetic is related to look or attraction. It is used for something which is very attractive, to make something attractive, look wise अच्छा करना किसी चीज को. Verbose means to talk, talkative you can say. Do you know what is talkative? Talkative is a person who talks too much, जो बहुत अधिक बातें करता है. Truant. What is a truant? Truant means uh, you can say a person who bunks classes. Okay, or a person who is not regular in his attendance, that can also be known as truant. Have you heard about this word before it? Okay. Okay guys, let's move to the next question. Or you can also use the who bunks the classes, or who you can also say absentee. Absent रहने वाले को. You can say absentee, जो absent रहता है बहुत ज़्यादा. Okay. Next, a person who does things only for pleasure. एक ऐसा person जो खुशी के लिए कोई काम करता है, जो प्लेजर के लिए कोई काम करता है. प्रोफेशनल, रेडिकल, एमेच्योर और एम्पिरिक. वेरी गुड. ट्राई टू आंसर द क्वेश्चन. Good. So the right answer is amateur. The spelling of amateur is single A, not double A. Okay. AMATEUR. Amateur. This is the correct spelling. Professional cannot be the answer. A person who does only for pleasure is amateur. Empiric means practical, for any kind of example, or empirical mean also something practical, for doing something practically. Okay, is it clear now? Next is radical. What is the meaning of radical? Radical means thorough, complete, entire. Thorough, complete, entire, you can say. Okay. Next, you are not going out. Do you, don't you, are you, or aren't you? You are not going out. What will be the question tag for this question? You are not going out, do you? Don't you? Are you? Or aren't you? So the right answer is are you. You are not going out, so are you is the right answer. Okay. How to make question tag? This is very simple. Just take the help of main verb or helping verb. So here we find a helping verb, then we will write are for that. It is already in negative, so we need not to put any note here. So guys, the thing is that if the sentence given is positive, then the question tag will be negative. And if the sentence is negative, question tag will be positive. So here the case is second one, where the sentence is negative and the question tag will be positive. So here we will write are and the subject is you, so are you is the right answer. We have just taught this topic in our paid batch. If you want to join the paid batch for English language, कंप्लीट इंग्लिश का अगर आप पेड बैच ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो यू कैन ज्वाइन नाउ. ओके, यू कैन ज्वाइन नाउ. आप कंप्लीट इंग्लिश का पेड बैच ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. अभी आपको 2 मंथ्स की जो फीस है वो केवल और केवल 2000 रुपीज़ रहेगी. ठीक है, सो यू कैन ज्वाइन दैट बैच. और इसमें सीट्स बहुत ही कम है, बहुत ही लिमिटेड है, तो आप उसके लिए आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. और यस, you can do one thing more. If you want to join the complete crash course, then you can join at the rate rupees 7,000 for all the subjects. Okay, for all the subject till 6th February 2021. ओके, अगर आप अभी क्रैश कोर्स ज्वाइन करते हैं तो ये आपका 6 फरवरी 2021 तक चलेगा, आपके एग्जाम से एक दिन पहले तक. और इसकी जो फीस है वो केवल और केवल 7,000 रुपीज़ है. तो आप जल्दी से जल्दी एनरोल कर लें इसमें. क्रैश कोर्स में आपका सिलेबस जो होता है, जो मेन सिलेबस होता है, वो आपको पूरा कवर करवा दिया जाता है. तो जल्द से जल्द इसको ज्वाइन करके अपना सिलेबस कवर करें और प्रैक्टिस करके अपना स्कोर बूस्ट करें, ताकि आने वाले एग्जाम में आप अच्छा परफॉर्म कर पाएँ. So I need not get up early today. I need not get up early today. What will be the question tag? So it's very simple. You have to just take the help of the verb. It is need not. So we'll write need. And then you have a subject over here. Then write need I. Because it already contains not. So we need not to write any kind of not here. Okay. So you have to just put need I. So the right answer is need I. ओके गाइस, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज योर स्कोर आउट ऑफ 10 टिल नाउ? आपका 10 में से स्कोर कितना बन रहा है? कैन यू टेल मी द स्कोर राइट नाउ? वेरी गुड. हरी अब जल्दी से मुझे स्कोर बता दीजिए. व्हाट इज योर स्कोर? आपका कितना स्कोर बन रहा है? वेरी गुड. ओके, so let's move to the next question. Ram has got a job in a company. Choose the noun in the following sentence. आपको नाउन ढूंढना है. Ram has got in. There can be multiple noun in this sentence, but you are to find out whether any noun is mentioned in the options. If your answer is yes, then find out which option contains a noun. So guys, if you want to answer, then you can answer. Then I am going to tell you an important thing. जल्दी से answer करके बताएं. Ram has got a job in a company. So the right answer is Ram. Yes, Ram is the right answer. In the given options, the noun is Ram. Which type of noun it is? It is the proper noun, name of any specific person. So that's why it is known as proper noun. So as I told you guys, our crash course is going on. You can join our crash course at the rate rupees 7,000 only, in which we will complete all your syllabus. So for this you can just contact on this number on WhatsApp, or you are to just do the payment. If you want to join the course, then you can do the payment on this number. You just pay and then send a screenshot on this number. You will be enrolled in the paid batch. Okay, if you want to join any particular subject, like for only complete English course, only mathematics course, then you can also join. But I would recommend that you should go for the complete batch. That would be best for your preparations. Okay. Yes. If you want to join, purchase the test series, then you can purchase the test series. You can contact on the same number, or you have to just do the payment according to the test series payment. Test series starts at the rate rupees 1500. 1500 रुपये से test series start हो जाता है. So it's depend on how many test series you want to purchase. Next, yesterday I saw a beautiful girl there. So just find out the noun. Find out the noun in these options. Yesterday so beautiful girl. What should be the noun in these sentences? Yesterday so beautiful girl. Great. So the right answer is girl. Yesterday I saw a beautiful girl there. Any doubt? No doubt. No doubt? Okay. So girl is a noun, beautiful adjective, so is a verb. Yesterday is an adverb, so it cannot be the answer. Next, the water was sweet, but I could not drink it. You are to find out the pronoun in the following sentence. Is there any pronoun? Did you find any pronoun? Hurry up. Find the pronoun in the sentence. Great job guys. So the right answer is it. अगर आपने आंसर में it किया है then your answer is correct. ओके इसमें केवल it ही प्रोनाउन है, बाकी और कोई प्रोनाउन नहीं है. नेक्स्ट, अनीता मीट अ पुअर मैन हु वाज सिटिंग अंडर अ ट्री. met who sitting tree. Find out the pronoun. Is there any pronoun in the given options? If yes, then answer your answer in the comments. Yes. Who is the right answer? Okay, who is the pronoun? So, according to it, Anita meet a poor man who was sitting under a tree. So, here, who is the pronoun? Here, who is the pronoun? Who is a type of relative pronoun? Because it's showing the relation with the man who is sitting under the tree. This is relative pronoun. Got it? If you want to learn each and every chapter like noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, conjunction, interjection, all the topics in details, then you can join our paid batch. You are to just contact for the crash course on this number. Okay, great. Next, my sister dash wash her face after every 2 hours daily. My sister washed, washes or washing. And here daily is also written. So what should be the right answer? Yes, right answer is washes. Because daily is written, it means we will put present indefinite tense. According to that, we can use V1 or V1 plus asoreus. We will use V1 plus asoreus if the subject is singular and if the subject is plural. So here, my sister is singular. So according to that, option number C is the right answer. So what is your score guys out of 15 till now? अभी तक 15 में से कितना स्कोर आपका बन रहा है? Okay, very good. Next question. Water dash very essential for life. Water are, water were, water has or water is. Hurry up. Yes, water is uncountable. Water is uncountable noun. Water क्या है? Uncountable noun है. So according to it, are and were cannot be the answer. Is the right answer. Okay, water has very essential for life नहीं. Water water खुद है. We don't want to say that water has something essential. वी वांट टू से दैट वाटर इज वेरी एसेंशियल, वाटर खुद ही बहुत एसेंशियल है। नेक्स्ट, प्रीति विद हर ब्रदर टॉप्ड द क्लास, प्रीति विद हर ब्रदर टॉप्ड द क्लास, फाइंड आउट द एडजेक्टिव इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस, हरी अप। Right answer is her. This is a type of possessive adjective. What are the possessive adjective? Which shows possession, like my, your, their, her, his car, his bike, his book, her car, her bike, her brother, her mother. So her, his, my, these all these are known as possessive adjective. Next, Ramesh has stolen those bikes from the school. Ramesh has stolen those bikes from the school. Hurry up. Try to answer the question. Find out the adjectival term in this. The right answer is those. Those is a type of demonstrative adjective. This, that, these, those, all these are known as demonstrative adjective. Okay? Any doubt? Good job. Okay, so just tell me what is your score out of 18, and the second part of this, the same lecture will be uploaded for you, in which there will be some question and reading comprehension also. So guys, that's all in this particular session. Can you tell me your score? What is your score out of 18? 18 में से आपका कितना स्कोर बन रहा है? So guys, if you want to order the study kit, then do order on this number. Contact on this number. The number is also given below. You can contact on this number. You will get all these books at your home delivered. Okay, these are the books. If you want to order, you are to just call, or you are to do WhatsApp on this number, and then do the payment on this number, or you can directly do the payment on this number, and then send the screenshot on this, and then send your courier address. Your books will be delivered at your courier address. Okay, and if you want to join the crash course, very few seats are left, guys. Hurry up, very few seats are left in the crash course. If you want to join the crash course, please contact on this number. The fees is 7,000 rupees for all the subject, 7,000 rupees for all the subject till 6 February 2021. Okay, the fees is only 7,000 rupees. You are to just contact on this number. Very few seats are left for all the subjects. You can join at the rate rupees 7,000. So hurry up, do call on this number, do WhatsApp your detail, and you will be enrolled in the paid batch. Okay, for payment you are to just do Google Pay and Phone Pay, or you can use these contact details, and then you can send the screenshot on that number. Okay, you will be enrolled in the paid batch. If you want to order the test series guide, then you can also order the test series. Okay, thank you so much. See you in the next class. अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं, सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, और वीडियो को लाइक भी करिए, शेयर भी करिए अपने दोस्तों के साथ में. थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय. टेक केयर.